And if I click on the text itself, watch this, here we got some tools for editing the texts. For example, let's see, firstly we got undo and redo, as you can see, for the additions or whatever actions we do. The next one is paste, the paste from clipboard. So if you have copied a text from Word or whatever, you can paste it here. For instance, let me make a copy out of a text from Google. I make a copy right now, right click and copy, then I get back to Revit, press down enter to move to the next line, and then I can paste it here, like this way. Then I can select some words, and then I can make them italic, bold, or underline them, like this way. Well done. And also I can select the text of word. Afterwards I can resize it, maximize or minimize, like this way. Or we can capitalize them. Watch this. Look. Well done. And the next part here is that we can select the texts and then we can add some bullets. Watch this. A, B, C, 1 or other options. However, here we can create a subcategory for it. For instance, I select them, then I remove the bullet points. Afterwards, I select these, I add the bullets, and then I consider these 4 items and the Autodesk Revit as the title of the 4 items. I make a copy out of them like this way, and then after numbering and adding the bullet points, if you wanted to continue them, you just need to select them and then click on increment list value. Watch this. Here we got the continue of the 1, 2, 3, 4, like this way. And the another point about the text is that when we open the edition environment, if we right click here, as you can see we got the symbols. But note that here is available only in edit text, that we can add some characters like section sign, like this way. Or let's see, what do we have? Plus minus, as you can see, plus minus sign, or not equal to, or less than or equal to, and we got Latin phi, and fraction 1/2 or fraction 1/4, fraction 3/4, and so on. Like this way, we got access to all of these characters, like 30 degrees, for instance. Well done. Or let's see what are right click, for instance, square meters, cubic meters, and so on. And if you couldn't find the desired character, you can click on other, then the character map will be shown or appear. So we can select whatever you want, for instance cubic meter or square meters, copy, and then I paste it here like this way. Watch this, 30 square meters. So this is how we modify the text.